Hey-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with a quick tip for you on installing the electrical connector for trailer taillights. So here we have it, one of the simple, just 3-plug electrical connectors for the taillights for a trailer. Now let's say theoretically that you hadn't had a car that had this plug on it for a long time, and you loan the trailer to somebody, and let's say, theoretically, of course, they were nice enough to go ahead and install this for you because they did have a plug on their car, and they want to drive around without taillights, so they put this on for you. And then again, theoretically, of course, you might not be used to unplugging it when you use the trailer yourself, even though you plugged it in and were really happy that they had done that for you, so that when you drove off, you forgot that it was plugged in and it pulled it apart. So what I'm going to be doing, and actually I'm not going to show you this because it's pretty straightforward, but rather than just put these on with regular electrical connectors, I'm going to use, make sure you can see them, I'm going to use the male-female plugs, so that if on the off chance that maybe something like that could happen to me, maybe they will unplug instead of coming apart. We'll see. I'll have to make sure and get them pinched in there real tight, but hey, I think it's a good idea. Maybe you do too. God bless y'all. See you next time.
Captain's Log Supplemental.
I also suggest using something like this to pinch the connectors onto the wire rather than this. I've had this for a long time. It's good for stripping and cutting and things, but right there we go. Right there, those things it says terminal for smashing terminals. They do not smash it tight enough, and they slip off easily. I would also suggest working on the loose piece inside in the shade, and also that will give you an opportunity to get some, it's called dielectric connector grease. I guess it's stuff they use on spark plugs now, but that'll keep the connection okay, but it'll probably also, the grease might actually make them easier to come apart if you actually did need to have them come apart, because like I said, theoretically, you might have forgotten to unplug the plug from the vehicle.